Imagine yourself in this Ford 2016 Mustang EcoBoost Premium. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include equipment Group 208, 9 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, AM/FM stereo with single CD player, radio data system, Sirius XM radio, Sync 3 communications and entertainment system, and air conditioning. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.